morning! Day 2 and final day sa Kaohsiung. It's 6:45 a.m. na. Tara, let's tabok. It's 16 degrees right now. Pero, look at what we're wearing. Nagmamadali kami. Magcha-check out kami at 11 a.m. So ngayon, pupunta kami ng Sijin Island real quick. Then we should be back by 10 or 10:30 a.m. We slept mga 12:30 a.m. na kagabi. And gumising ng 6. Nagkape lang kami before umalis. Sana mapuntahan pa din namin yung mga gustong puntahan sa Sijin Island before going back sa hotel. While walking, papunta tayo ng Orange Line. Yung rating sa mga orders kagabi. Yung pan is a 3.
3 out of 1.
3 out of 10 yung pan. Yung sausage, isa talaga siya pag yung sausage lang. Hindi yung hotdog na may sticky rice. I mean, hindi siya ganyan kapasok sa panlasa namin. Yung fried dumpling, it's a 7 or 6. Ano pa binili natin?
Yung butter, yung parang croissant.
Yung ano, yung parang fried na parang waffle. Masarap siya. I'm giving it a 9. Tapos 10 yung Taiwanese sausage. So, if you go to Liohe Night Market, don't miss yung sausage, guys.
If you're a fan of sushi or sashimi, maybe you'll like the combination of the sticky rice and the sausage.
Oh, medyo same pala ng taste pag ganun.
Ito ang sashimi, hindi din sashimi, sushi rin.
Ah, hindi pala sashimi. Sushi daw pala yan. Grabe, grabe ang gala na to. 48 hours in Kaohsiung. So, we are now outside Hamashen Station and maglalakad tayo papuntang Busan Ferry. Ito, this is Hamashen. So, nandito na tayo sa harap ng Busan Ferry Pier. But dito sa gilid niya, dito tayo papasok, I guess. Let's go and let's see. Pero may nakalagay dito, passenger waiting room. Baka ang waiting room ang matagal bukas. Baka pwede na sumakay dun sa kabila. Ang ganda ng kulay ng mga bahay. Balik tayo. Let's see. So tama yung kanina, but it opens at 7:30. So dito ka sa harap if hindi pa 7:30 a.m. So ito yung sign. Tapos dito lang sa harap maghihintay. If hindi pa 7:30 a.m. guys. Yan yung sabi ni Kuya. Ito may darating. I think every now and then. Pag may aalis, may darating. Kasi may kakaalis lang. So ngayon may dumating na bago na naman. Usually mga motorist ang sumasakay. So pinapasok pa kami. Nag-tap lang kami ng easy car dito. And pinahintay kami dito sa gilid. So after siguro mag-disembark ito nila, pwede na kaming sumakay. Pinasakay na kami agad. Tara, let's go. Malaki siya, marami mga motorists. Well, let's go. Tara. Dito tayo sa taas. So may ganito din, parang loob siya. Yan, may TV, but pwede ka dito sa likod, sa labas. Dito tayo. Ang ganda guys, ang ganda ng pier. May bridge, oh. What is this bridge called? But I think it's for pedestrian and motorist lang. Kasi parang ramp lang siya na konti. And stairs. Ang daming yate dito. Ito, pumapasok na mga motorist. So maraming motorists papasok at palabas ng Sijin Island. Guys, in less than 5 minutes, paalis na kami. Yan yung port. And mga 5 minutes lang din daw to. 5 to 10 going to Sijin Island. Ito, so kada alis may darating. So may paparating na naman. Yan. So yan naman yung dadaong. It's mga 5 minutes lang and we're here, we're docking na, but we enjoy the view. Grabe yung pictures namin. Maganda din siya kasi yung sunrise. Maganda yung sunrise. Yan, sobrang lapit lang, 5 minutes lang. Tapos baka hindi makikita dito sa video, nandyan yung ano yung nandyan? Music center something. Nakikita siya namin but hindi siya makikita sa video.
Naka-silhouette sa picture.
Dahil sa araw. But it's so nice. Short trip but nag-enjoy kami ma-picture. Yeah. So it's 30 NTD guys. So yung 30, mga nasa 50 something siguro. And that's one way. And you can use your easy card lang. I-tap nyo lang. Sobrang convenient ng pagpunta dito sa Sijin Island. So super frequent nung biyahe ng mga barko. Like every 5 minutes. And very short trip na. Dadaong na siya. Dadaong? Tama, dadaong yung term. Let's see what we can find and anong mga pwede natin puntahan dito sa Sijin. Let's go! May 7-Eleven agad sa tapat at may mga bike rental. So maglalakad kami, maghahanap kami ng yung single na bike na marirentan, hindi yung parang tricycle sa atin. So ito yung usually na pwede mong rentan. So may dalawa lang, tapos ito good for 4 na bike. Yun yung good for 2. Yan. Pero ang gusto namin yung isa talaga. Tigi-isa lang kami. Pabalik kami ng port. Sa may port, I mean. Rent electric scooter and cycle. Ito, may single sana oh. Kaso, close pa sila. Cry. Nasa market tayo. Daming tinda, maraming fish. Mga fish, ito mga luto. Mga ganyan. Ito parang masarap yan. So close pa yung mga rental ng bike. I-try namin maglakad papuntang Rainbow Church. According to Google, it's mga 18 minutes daw na lakad. Ang busy dito na area na to. So may mga prutas. So parang market to na corner. And that's just a few minutes away from the pier. Oh, laki na watermelon. Oh, mga strawberry din. Ang laki. Guys, nakarating kami sa other side. And may malaking beach dito. So sa west side to ng Sijin Island.
Sijin Bathing Beach.
Dito tayo naglalakad papuntang
Church.
Rainbow Church. Tapos dito, may market dito. Sobrang laki ng market. Sa likod ng mga puna na yan. Yan. Yun, market yun. Tapos ito, park. Maganda siya dito. Tapos ito yung dagat oh. Yan, grabe. Ang laki ng shore. Shore ba? Shoreline. Oo, may ano dun oh. Parang nandun yung lighthouse ba? Parang bukid dun.
Hindi.
Nasa kabila pala.
Kasi facing ano yun eh. Facing house.
Sa west side to ha guys. So China na dyan sa unahan. But yeah, this is facing China.
Oh, no entry. So we should go.
No entry. So, balik tayo sa highway. Ang ganda. I feel like I'm in California.
California Black Beach.
Nasa ano ko, Manhattan Beach. I'm in Manhattan Beach, California. So, ito, may nakita kami. Sana pwede ang Easy Card. Pwede ba Easy Card dito? Pero ito yung nakita namin. We're so happy. Tsan-tsaran! The U-Bike. Pero sa app daw to. So, I think we need to download the app. Ito yung instructions niya. Cry. Di namin gets. So after 20 minutes of walking, since wala talagang bike, we're here. Magpipicture tayo dito saglit sa Rainbow Church. Ito yung Rainbow Church. So pwede kayo mag-pictures or video dito sa Rainbow Church. Ito, I don't know the name, but para siyang ganyan na angle siguro, guys. Infinity something. Tapos ito din. Maganda ngayon, sobrang aga. Kami lang tao dito. So this is sa likod ng parang hindi to church eh. I don't know what this is. Pero malapit siya sa park. So from the pier, mga 18 to 20 minutes siya na lakad. But you can definitely rent a bike. So guys, sa unahan, meron itong ganito din na structure. Para siyang shell. So very Instagrammable siya. Pero, I think mas maganda siya if noon time or sunset. Kasi sunrise ngayon, so magiging against the light siya. But if nandun, sunset, parang nag-shine. Shine ba? Itong gold sa loob ng shell. Ang ganda dito guys. Pwede kayo mag-jogging. Super nice. Tapos doon may mga nangunguha ng isda. Ang cute. Diba? Ang laki ng beach dito. Hindi siya white sand. Tapos ang laki ng alon, but pwede siyang liguan actually. Tapos may siya, path. Pwede dumadaan ng mga motor or bike, but pwede din mag-jogging dito. Lalo na ngayon na medyo malamig. Kaso mainit na yung oras na ganito. Pero maybe mga 6 AM, ang ganda siguro dito talaga. Doon sa yung may building, sa likod nun, nandun ang Rainbow Church. Tsaka yung dalawang katabi niya, yung white na arch, tsaka yung pink na triangle. Guys, we're walking back na papunta sa port, which is going to take another 18 to 20 minutes. Pero dumaan kami sa 7-Eleven sa tapat. Pumili ako nito. Tsaka isang cold coffee. Akala ko hot and I thought they're gonna heat it, pero it's a cold one pala. Are those real flowers? Wow. Mainit na siya guys. It's almost 9:30 AM.
It's 9:32.
9:30 na pala. Though temperature is 18 degrees. Mainit pa rin. Mingo kayo andan. And way abog, so it's fun. It's fun. Mingo ra siya walking around. Oh, guys, yung video ko kanina, may answer na siya. So it's called Kaohsiung Shell Gallery. itong park na to. So search it for directions when you go here. And don't miss this. When you go to Kaohsiung, don't miss Shijin Island, guys. Ito, may nagtitinda ng ice cream, so dumaan at bumili kami saglit. Tapos pinaupo kami dito sa stall. Ang bait. I don't know kung anong flavor. Hindi kasi kami nagkakaintindihan. So when we were about to pay, pinakita niya lang kami ng example na coins. 30 NTD. Ano sa flavor ano? I think it's strawberry.
But versus this one, the wine is
Yeah. It's good. We are back na sa boat. Ito, makikita yung pier sa tapat. Diyan na yung daungan, guys. Yun o. Kakabiyahe lang yan. Ito yung port. Yan. So dyan na tayo papunta. Hello guys. It's already 11:30 AM and nasa Hamisen MRT station kami ngayon. So nabalik kami sa hotel at 10:30-ish. Tapos na ako maligo, tapos na kami maimpake. Tinawagan kami agad ng lobby. Sabi niya, it's checkout time. That was 11:01. Then sabi niya, okay, 5 minutes. Then she dropped the phone. So nagmamadali kami. So after checking out, sumakay kami ulit ng Orange Line. And nasa Hamisen station kami ulit. Then we dropped our backpacks here. So meron kaming backpack. Ganito mag-drop ng luggage, guys. So if hindi pa kayo naka-check-in or hindi pa kayo pupunta ng airport at marami kayong bag, you can definitely use lockers. So example, English, you just click deposit, just read everything. They charge $20 for 2 hours. Then may ibang charge sa overtime na hour pag pick up mo na. You can pay through cash or line, or I think Easy Card is accepted, but we paid through cash. Iba-ibang sizes. Ito, regular backpacks. Ito, mas malaki. And if you're bringing luggage, you can use this one. I think iba ang rate ng luggage. Hindi siya naka-indicate dito. Basta if lumagpas kayo ng 2 hours, when you retrieve it, let's say balik tayo, click retrieve, kung ilan yung minimum exceeding hours nyo na lagpas 2 hours, kailangan yung bayaran muna before niya i-unlock. By the way, when you deposit pala, you will have to nominate for passcode. So ganito, may maraming available. Ito mga naka-green, just select it. Then type ko lang ng passcode. Example, ito. 4-digit passcode. Yan, tapos just memorize it kasi yan ang need mo when you retrieve your bags. So it's very helpful. So ngayon, pupunta kami ng exhibition sa something. Nilipat kami ng tram. May tram sila, yung Green Line. Gala na lang kami until 3 PM or 4. By 4, dapat pabalik na kami ng airport because our flight is at 6. So lumabas kami sa Hamisen exit 2. Nandito na yung tram. Pwede din Easy Card ang gamitan, guys.
So top, bro?
Tap mo lang. Yun yung building na pupuntahan natin ngayon. Doon tayo bababa. Okay, here. Tap lang dito. This is their tram. So unlike MRTs, hindi siya tunnel dadaan, but sa labas lang siya. Hello, bumaba na kami sa Kaohsiung Exhibition Center na station. Ito yung mga stations guys ng tram.
Yeah.
Sobrang parang nasa garden ka lang. And we are here na. Ito yung building na pupuntahan namin. Anong tawag dito? 48?
85 building.
85 tower something. I think this is the tallest in Kaohsiung. And ang ganda ng mga nadaanan namin guys. We're so in awe ngayon sa Kaohsiung. Kasi it's very mingaw. Hindi siya crowded. Tingnan niyo naman ang palibot.
Print arts.
Ito, do you see that building? Ang ganda, ang daming magandang building na puntahan namin tsaka mga parks. And walang masyadong tao. So, ito pier na to dito. Ito may ibang building, hindi ko alam ano to. Lord, kaninot ba diri? Kinako diri Lord. So nice. You're in the city but the nature is nurturing. Guys,
There.
grabe.
There's something coming.
Do you see what I see? Guys, it's so nice here in Kaohsiung. So it's really Taiwan, but
Especially
the crowd is
along the green line area of the tram.
yeah.
Here.
Oh,
Very
yun.
artsy. If you're into architecture and arts,
True. You know, grabe, ang ganda dito guys. It's like Taipei, but the crowd is less than half ng Taipei, I guess.
but in terms of architecture, this Kaohsiung is better because it has modern architecture.
True,
Like Taipei, medyo old-fashioned yung buildings.
true.
Dito is kind of modern and very out of the box. Yeah.
Yeah,
There are a lot of buildings
Sure.
na parang ano siya, parang
Very
standalone,
modern
very
talaga.
modern, and the
Yeah.
design, the structure is
ang daming modern na buildings dito.
wow. I think this is kind of new. The area is new because yung mga puno is parang kakaano pa lang
Kakatanim, kakatubo.
yeah, parang kakatanim pa lang. Yeah.
It's so nice
So-
here kasi catching up siya kasi modern.
But at the same time,
The
the vibe
crowd,
is very
The vibe is very province actually.
different from Taipei. It's
I
very
think
nice
Kaohsiung
here.
is a city, di ba?
Yes.
But it's very province like crowd wise.
correct.
So parang masasolo mo talaga siya.
Trees, very nice.
Mas ma-enjoy mo kasi talaga pag mas ma-enjoy mo pag parang you're alone sa place.
Gusto mong magmuni-muni, go to Kaohsiung.
Sobrang daming out of the box na pagkagawa ng design ng mga buildings. So mix siya ng modern tsaka the traditional Taiwan buildings. But ang daming modern. Mas nagustuhan ko dito kasi yung hindi siya crowded. So ang ganda i-promote ng Kaohsiung, no? Pero sana hindi siya maging super crowded soon. Sobrang ganda dito, guys. Ito, this is giving Meteor Garden vibes. Ang daming places pwede ka mag-rent ng bike. Hindi lang namin alam paano gawin. Parang may app and we can't read the directions. So naghahanap kami ng makakainan ngayon. It's 12 na ba?
Yeah,
And temperature is
it's 23, but it's the cold breeze. There's cold breeze, so
23 siya. Pero mahangin. Good thing, no, na mahangin siya.
yeah, and we're walking under these trees. Oh my god.
So malamig yung hangin. So kahit 12 noon, super bearable yung init niya.
Yeah.
Tsaka hindi naman summer ngayon. So, kung gusto nyo mag-Taiwan, well, for first-timers, what would you recommend? Taipei or Kaohsiung? I'd still recommend Taipei, to be honest.
I recommend both, but I think it depends kung ano bang gusto nilang
Yeah.
type of gala.
And now that we've experienced both Taipei and Kaohsiung, I can say na you can't feel left behind if nandito ka sa Kaohsiung at
If,
all.
ano
Ang minus nandito is yung crowd. For me ha.
if 30 ka na, 40, tapos gusto mo ng chill na
Correct.
lakaran,
Yeah.
yun.
Correct.
Kaohsiung is for you. And if you're artsy, yun, I don't know, but maybe they're focusing, Kaohsiung is focusing on arts. Not sure, but sobrang lawak ng art exhibit areas dito.
So, Taipei is lively, very lively. Though there are parts din doon na medyo mingaw. But it's a very lively na city. Dito,
Sabihin mo na, it's very crowded.
yeah, dito, hindi mo masabing mingaw kasi everything is functional pa din. Parang kung ano nandito din. Pero walang masyadong tao.
But you can
That's
see a lot
my
of
point.
cars and
Pero yeah, but tourist-wise, hindi masyado.
but it's really a modern city. I mean, they're building it to be a new modern city.
It's so hard. I'm scared. Hello guys! So, nasa airport na kami ngayon. It's already 5 p.m. Our boarding is at 5:30. So, when we got to the airport, we bought braised beef. Pareho kami dalawa. It looks so delicious. May pakapin siyang ganito. And ito din. Also, I bought cup latte, tapos cappuccino kay Marvin. Tapos ito yung view namin. So, nag-lunch kami sa isang 7-Eleven. Then, pumunta kami sa Dream Mall. Doon na siguro na hinto yung vlog ko. Nag-ikot-ikot lang kami sa Dream Mall. Naghanap kami ng mabiling t-shirt sana sa H&M. Pero wala kami napili. So, after Dream Mall, pumunta kami sa Love Pier. Sobrang ganda doon, guys. But, sa Glory Pier tayo bumaba. Glory Pier. Then naglakad kami papuntang Love Pier. Sobrang ganda doon. But sobrang ganda doon pag gabi, 'di ba? Sunset or pag gabi. Then after namin sa Love Pier, sumakay naman ulit kami ng tram and bumaba kami sa Pier 2. It's a Pier 2 something. I'm gonna put the name of that station here. Then sobrang ganda ng street na 'yon. Puro siya art. So nandun yung parang container van na red. Nandun din yung Transformers. Ano pa? Yung may nakaupo sa ceiling or sa taas ng sa roof. Tapos yung bridge. Oh my god, I'm gonna play it here. Yung bridge na umiikot. Sobrang ganda ng bridge. Tingnan nyo naman, no? Ang ganda ng bridge, 'di ba? So, fast forward namin 'yan. Then sumakay na kami ng tram kasi 3:50 na ata yun, 3:45. Sumakay na kami ng tram pabalik ng Hamashen. Then, dun sa Hamashen, kinuha namin yung chinek-in namin bag. So, aside sa 20 NTD na dineposit namin, parang may extra 2 hours. So, additional 40 So parang 20 per hour siya. Kasi nag-add kami ng 40 NTD before namin makuha yung bag. Very easy lang. How's the braised beef?
So good. I don't usually love ramen or something noodles, but the noodles, it's really good. It's tasty, and the beef, it's so soft, so tender. Yeah, so tender.
Diba? I'm gonna taste it after vlogging right now. But after nun sa Hamashan, we picked up our bags. Then we took Orange Line to Formosa Boulevard. We transferred to Red Line going here to Kaohsiung International Airport. Sobrang bilis ng pag-check-in. Sobrang bilis na immigration. It's just a machine, no? Automated siya. Hindi personal na tao. Then nandito na kami. Nasa ibang gate kami kasi dito may restaurant, Homey Kitchen. Aside from that, from this braised beef which I'm going to taste, bumili kami ng mushi manju. That's 120 NTD for 4 pieces. So medyo mahal, but titikman din natin yan. But I'm about to eat now, guys, kasi magbo-boarding na kami in 20 minutes, and medyo mainit-init pa tong beef. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Guys, thank you for watching our first vlog this year. Diba, first vlog natin ever. First travel vlog is Taiwan. And hindi namin inakala na first travel vlog din namin this year would still be Taiwan. But it's Kaohsiung this time, and grabe ang Kaohsiung. It exceeded our expectation kung ano makikita namin. Wala kami itinerary kasi, so wala kami masyadong in-expect, but grabe, na-amaze kami sa ganda, sa linis, sa convenience, tsaka sa yung na-appreciate ko talaga is hindi siya crowded. So guys, aside from Taipei, go to Kaohsiung. There's a lot more place in Taiwan to go to, and don't miss Alishan. Whether you're from Taipei or Taichung or Taoyuan or Chiayi or Kaohsiung, there's an HSR to Chiayi, so go to Alishan. So that's for our vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching our Kaohsiung Taiwan vlog, our first travel vlog this year, 2026. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Also, follow me on my socials, sa Facebook, sa TikTok, sa Thread, and sa Instagram. It's General Kamay. That's all, and thank you. See you sa next travel vlog natin.